Are you overwhelmed by the sheer number of skincare products on the market? Do you find yourself constantly searching for the perfect solution to achieve that healthy, radiant glow? In this video, I'm going to simplify things for you by sharing the top 5 skincare products that truly deliver results. These are products that nourish your skin and enhance your natural glow, helping you put your best face forward every day. In this video, we'll dive into 5 carefully selected skincare products that have been proven to promote healthy, glowing skin. We'll discuss their key ingredients, how they work, and why they're must-haves for your skincare routine. Along the way, we'll share an inspiring story of someone who transformed their skin using these products. And we'll address some frequently asked questions to ensure you're fully equipped to make the best choices for your skin. Let's get started. Your skin is your body's largest organ, and it deserves the best care. The right skincare products can make all the difference in how your skin looks and feels. But with so many options available, how do you choose? The good news is, I've done the research for you. Whether you're dealing with dryness, dullness, or breakouts, these 5 products will help you achieve that radiant, healthy glow. Remember, glowing skin isn't just about appearance, it's about nourishing and protecting your skin at every step. Product 1. Gentle Cleanser, the foundation of a good routine. The first step in any skincare routine is cleansing, and it's crucial to choose a gentle cleanser that won't strip your skin of its natural oils. Look for a product that removes dirt, makeup, and impurities while maintaining your skin's moisture balance. One of the best options on the market is CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser. It's packed with ceramides and hyaluronic acid, which help restore your skin's natural barrier and keep it hydrated. This cleanser is suitable for all skin types, and its gentle formula ensures your skin feels clean but never tight or dry. Quick tip: always cleanse your face twice a day, once in the morning and once at night, to remove any impurities that build up throughout the day. Product 2. Vitamin C Serum, the key to radiance. Vitamin C is a powerhouse ingredient that brightens your skin, evens out your complexion, and boosts collagen production. Incorporating a vitamin C serum into your routine can significantly enhance your skin's glow and protect it from environmental damage. A standout product in this category is the SkinCeuticals CE Ferulic Serum. It's packed with a potent combination of vitamin C, vitamin E, and ferulic acid, which work together to reduce fine lines, brighten your skin, and protect against free radicals. It's a bit of a splurge, but it's worth every penny for the results it delivers. Quick tip: apply your vitamin C serum in the morning after cleansing and before moisturizing for maximum protection throughout the day. Product 3. Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Hydration from within. Hydration is key to glowing skin, and hyaluronic acid is one of the best ingredients to keep your skin plump and hydrated. It's a humectant, which means it draws moisture from the environment into your skin, making it look and feel more supple. The La Roche-Posay Hyalu B5 Serum is an excellent option for those looking to boost hydration. It combines 2 types of hyaluronic acid with vitamin B5 to replenish moisture and repair the skin barrier. This serum is perfect for all skin types, especially if your skin tends to get dry or dehydrated. Quick tip: apply hyaluronic acid serum on damp skin to lock in moisture more effectively. Let me share an inspiring story with you. Meet Amanda. For years, Amanda struggled with dull, uneven skin. She tried countless products but never saw significant improvement. That's when she decided to focus on a few high-quality products rather than an overwhelming routine. Amanda started using the CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser, SkinCeuticals CE Ferulic Serum, and La Roche-Posay Hyalu B5 Serum as part of her daily routine. Within weeks, she noticed a dramatic change in her skin's texture and radiance. Her skin became smoother, more hydrated, and more even-toned. Today, Amanda feels more confident in her skin than ever before. Her story is a reminder that sometimes less is more. Quality products can lead to transformative results. Product 4. Moisturizer. Locking in hydration. Moisturizing is an essential step that locks in all the hydration and active ingredients from your serums. A good moisturizer should nourish your skin and protect it from moisture loss throughout the day. One of the best all-around moisturizers is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. It's packed with soothing ingredients like colloidal oatmeal, shea butter, and allantoin, which help to calm and hydrate your skin. This rich cream is perfect for all skin types and is especially beneficial if you suffer from dryness or sensitivity. Quick tip: Apply moisturizer while your skin is still slightly damp from your serums to seal in moisture and enhance absorption. Product 5. Sunscreen, your best defense against aging. The final product on this list is something you should never skip: sunscreen. No matter how diligent you are with the rest of your skincare routine, UV damage can undo all your hard work. Sunscreen is your best defense against premature aging, hyperpigmentation, and skin cancer. One of the most reliable sunscreens is the ElTaMD UV Clear Broad Spectrum SPF 46. This lightweight, non-greasy formula offers excellent protection without clogging your pores. It's formulated with niacinamide to calm and protect your skin, making it a great choice for those with sensitive or acne-prone skin. Apply sunscreen as the last step in your morning skincare routine, and don't forget to reapply every 2 hours if you're spending time outdoors. 1. Can I use all these products together in my routine? Yes, these products are designed to complement each other. Start with the cleanser. Apply the vitamin C serum in the morning. Use the hyaluronic acid serum for hydration. Follow up with your moisturizer, and finish with sunscreen during the day. 2. How long will it take to see results? Skincare is a journey, and results vary from person to person. However, with consistent use, you should start seeing improvements in your skin's texture, hydration, and radiance within a few weeks to a couple of months. 3. Is it necessary to invest in expensive products? Not necessarily. While some high-end products offer fantastic results, there are plenty of affordable options that can also improve your skin. The key is to find products that suit your skin type and address your specific concerns. 4. Can I skip sunscreen if I'm indoors all day? Even if you're indoors, your skin can still be exposed to harmful UV rays through windows. It's always a good idea to apply sunscreen every morning, even if you're staying inside. Achieving a healthy glow is within reach when you have the right products in your skincare routine. By incorporating a gentle cleanser, a brightening vitamin C serum, a hydrating hyaluronic acid serum, a nourishing moisturizer, and a protective sunscreen, you're setting your skin up for success. Remember, consistency is key, and glowing skin is about more than just looking good. It's about feeling good in your skin. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more skincare tips and product recommendations. Your journey to healthy, glowing skin starts today.